Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited in billet silver. With fully automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, power sliding rear doors, rear window wiper with washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 7,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, seat back video screens, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, a 3.6-liter V6 hybrid engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5494.